This right here is the Samsung Galaxy M30s. It comes with a 6000 mAh battery. It has a 6.4 inches Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has 48 megapixel triple rear camera which includes super steady mode, night mode and much more. It comes with a price tag of 13,999 and it is being sold on Amazon. Taking a look at the build quality, we can see on the front side we have a 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display. On the bottom side we can see we have a Type-C port, a headphone jack and a speaker grill. Moving on to the right side we can see there are volume rockers and the power button. Having a look on the left side we can see there's a SIM card tray, and on the above part we just have a noise cancellation microphone. On the back part we can see there's a Samsung branding, and above which we can see a physical fingerprint sensor. On the left side of the physical fingerprint sensor we can see the camera module which houses the 48 megapixel rear camera. The Samsung Galaxy M30s comes with a Samsung proprietary One UI, and in my day-to-day usage I haven't noticed any glitches or lags. So I think the Exynos 9611 processor handles the One UI very nicely. Samsung also has put some other features into the settings such as night mode, or we can say dark mode. In the display settings we can see there's a night mode option which switches the background or theme to black, which is battery efficient and looks good too. We have other modes such as vivid and natural, so that we can change the color, how it looks and how the display looks. Other features include Dolby Atmos, which is very good for audio listeners. Basically what it does is enhances the quality of the audio which we listen, and it is available on the status bar. We can see there's an option called Dolby Atmos. If we enable this option, the audio enhances and we can enjoy our movies and music more efficiently. As I told you earlier, the Samsung Galaxy M30s comes with a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display, and the colors obviously look so vivid, vibrant, and the blacks are very deep. Overall the viewing experience on Samsung Galaxy M30s is excellent, and we all know how good the Samsung displays are. So in my opinion, in the display part, this is the best phone you can get under 15,000 rupees. I mean, just look at the display, how gorgeous the colors look and how vibrant the screen is, and the outdoor visibility is great too. Another good news is this also comes with support of wideband L1, so you can enjoy your Full HD movies on Amazon and Netflix without any worry. To unlock the Samsung Galaxy M30s, we have two options. One is a physical fingerprint reader, another is a face unlock. The face unlock, in my opinion, in my day-to-day usage, it's okay, it's fairly good. It's not as fast as a competition, but it's good. Moving on to the fingerprint reader, the fingerprint reader is fairly fast. It unlocks the phones in around 0.5 seconds, so it's good. So that two options are there to unlock your phone other than the pattern, pin and password. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the camera. Main sensor or the primary sensor is 48 megapixel, the secondary sensor is 16 megapixel wide angle camera, and the third camera is 5 megapixel depth sensor. Taking a look at the features, Samsung has included super slow motion, hyperlapse, super steady mode, and many more features such as pro mode, food mode, and others include live focus, which is just another name for portrait, panorama, etc. Guys, you should know Samsung has also included the flagship feature, which is a super steady mode, and this feature is amazing. It makes the video so stable that even OIS can compete it. Talking about the gaming features on Samsung Galaxy M30s, Samsung has included another mode or another launcher, game launcher, which basically enhances the performance and gives a little extra boost to your game. If you open a game such as PUBG, we can see there's a toggle option on the right side. On the bottom part we can see there's an option. If you select that option, we can see a pop-up comes out, and we can see the temperature, times, notifications, to record the screen, to capture screen. We have all the options included in this part. On the left side we can see we can also take calls, watch YouTube videos, etc. Talking about overall gameplay, the gameplay was very smooth. I can play the game on smooth extreme settings, which I think no phone can do under the 15,000 rupees mark. So that's a thumbs up for Samsung. So is it a worthy purchase? In my opinion, yes. The 6000 mAh battery is just the best in class. The 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display has no competition in the price range, and other features such as a super steady mode, the flagship feature, and super slow motion. Many such things makes this phone a great purchase. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video.